Hi, ma'am. Please tell me your name and work experience.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Marlene Rafa. I am presently working as an assistant technician at Kamuran Doctors Medical Center at Kamuran.
Okay. Do you have any experience as a push girl in any supermarket?
Yes, I have experience as a food girl in Robertson and Gaetan Supermarket. Mostly wellness and SB products and brands.
Okay po. Are you a licensed nutritionist and dietitian?
Yes, I am a licensed nutritionist dietitian.
Po. Ma'am, please compute to me the ideal body weight of a 2-year-old child and express it into kilograms.
Isang 2-year-old na bata, dapat ang ideal body weight niya ay 12 kilo. Bali, ang formula niya ay 10 years times 2 plus 8.
Okay po, thank you po.